In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple members in Microsoft Teams using the desktop app. If you're looking to expand your team quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, it's important to note that the Microsoft Teams desktop app doesn't allow a truly extensive bulk upload feature like you might find in other applications. However, there is a workaround that lets you add multiple members at once, and it's quite straightforward if you're dealing with smaller batches of new members. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop. Once you're in, navigate to the specific team where you want to add these members. Look for the team you wish to manage in your Teams list on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you've located it, click on the team name. Now you need to access the team's options. You can do this by clicking on the More Options link, often represented by the three little dots or ellipsis symbol next to the team name. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Add Member option. Here's where we get into adding our new members. You'll want to have your list of new members ready. Enter their email addresses in the input field provided. There's a little trick here. You can add multiple email addresses in a single go by separating each email address with a semicolon. For example, you might type in something like this: user1@email.com, user2@email.com, user3@email.com. This method is especially useful if you have a small group of people to add and want to do it as quickly as possible. Once you've entered all your email addresses, double check to ensure there are no typos or mistakes. Accuracy is key here because an incorrect email address means that person won't receive an invite. After everything looks good, simply hit the Add button. And that's it! You've successfully added multiple members at once to your team in Microsoft Teams. Remember, this method is best suited for smaller batches because of the manual input it requires. For larger groups, you might need to look into other solutions or methods. With this knowledge in hand, you can grow your team with ease, ensuring everyone gets connected and starts collaborating without any hassle. That's all for today's guide. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Happy teaming!